Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a full guide on a simple method, two simple method you can use to transfer contact from Android to iPhone. So watch the video so you don't miss any of the method. So let's get started. So the first method is to move to iOS app, which is recommended. Like I recommend this method for you. So the first step is to open your Android phone, then connect to Wi-Fi, then download the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store. Then on your iPhone, turn it on and begin the setup process. Then stop when you reach apps and data. Then select Move Data from Android. Then after that, connect both device. So open the Move to iOS app on Android and tap continue. Then on your iPhone, tap continue and a 6-digit code will appear. Enter the code on your Android phone to establish a connection. Then after that, transfer contact. Now choose contact and other data you want to transfer, then tap next and wait for the transfer to complete. Then once done, tap done on Android and continue on iPhone to finish setup. Then on the second method, which is the other method, you can also use this as well. Use using Android account if iPhone is already set up. If your iPhone is already set up, you can use the Android account. So to get started for that, best for synchronizing contact automatically if you already use Google Contact. Now, the first step is to sync contacts to Android. So open settings on your Android phone, then go to account, then click on Google, then tap your Google account and enable sync contact. Then after that, on your iPhone, go to the settings, which is mail for contact, then tap contact, then click add account, then click Google. Then after that, sign in with the same account number used on Android, then turn on contact sync and wait for the contact to appear in your iPhone's contact app. And that is a simple method or a step-to-step guide on how to transfer contact from Android to iPhone. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.